Part of me wants to go with you, Billy. I mean, we're friends. We stick together. But Alana is my friend, too. And so is the Reverend.
So you're staying here for them?
And myself. I don't want to run away just because things are tough now. I don't think you do either.
Well, don't... You think wrong, all right? Look, I can't go on the rest of my life being on the outside looking in. I'm so sick of feeling like a freak all the time.
Is that how we make you feel?
No, not you guys, but everybody else in this...
Wait. Since when do you care about everybody else? You're Billy Douglas. Captain of the swim team, president of your class. Everybody looks up to you.
But they don't see me! They don't know who I am. They don't know what I am. I can be in the middle of a crowd, you know, after a big meet, everybody around me pat me on the back, cheering me on. That only makes it worse. In a crowd of people is where I feel totally alone. And I can't take it anymore, all right?
Maybe you're not alone. Look, I bet there are kids in this town who would love to come out, maybe even at the community center. Maybe they're just too afraid.
I know that feeling.
Well, then maybe you're the one to lead them.
Do you know what you're saying, Joey?
Yeah, I know what I'm saying. I'm saying it's easy to go to New York or San Francisco and be open about who you are. But to stand up here and land you, where everybody knows your name and your face, now that takes real guts.
Stay here, Billy. Come to the quilt ceremony. Let other kids know that it is safe to be.
It's not safe! What's it gonna take to convince you guys? More rocks through windows, more threats, more smoke bombs? I don't want to go on the rest of my life fighting to be who I am. That's why I'm leaving. Now.
What about your mom and dad?
Like they care whether or not I live or die. You saw my dad's letter.
Yeah, I did. I also saw your mom's.
Something has to be done about that quilt.
Walter, I think maybe we should reconsider.
Virginia, we are trying to arrive at some kind of a consensus here. Now, Carpenter has got to be stopped before he destroys whatever's left of our church.
It's not just the church, Walter. It's the whole community.
Exactly. We are fighting for the soul of Landview here.
The trouble is, Carpenter's tougher than we thought.
He's all more deluded. I mean, a sane man would have resigned a long time ago.
Well taken, Elizabeth. I wouldn't be surprised if the good Reverend was missing a few collar buttons.
He's as sane as any of us. More than some.
Virginia...
I just think that we shouldn't underestimate Reverend Carpenter, that's all.
Well, there must be some way to get the wretched man to resign. Let's see, we've turned off his power and his telephone. And still he persists.
It's the most immoral thing that he's done, and that is saying something. Preaching the Word of God, in spite of the fact that his own church has turned his back on him.
Philip, pride goeth before a fall.
Do you know how this started? Carpenter toying with our son.
Walter, we have no proof.
Well, I don't need any proof. Whether he molested Billy physically is not the point. He molested his mind. He sent a message to my son and to all the kids at that teen center that it is okay to lead an alternative lifestyle. It's okay to go against society. It's okay to be a homo.
We can't let this thing go any further.
No, Andrew Carpenter's not fit to lead a sing-along, let alone a church.
So we're agreed. No more halfway measures. We get rid of the man, whatever it takes.
I think we've got everything that we need. Andrew, what happened?
Now, look, this is nothing, and this looks a lot worse than
Andrew,
it
stop
is.
pretending with me. Andrew, your eye. How did this happen?
Cassie, would you believe I ran into a door? I had a little misunderstanding.
A misunderstanding.
Look, someone wanted my wallet. I reached in too slow. They took it.
Will you stop? This wasn't a mugging, was
It's
it?
nothing. I'm still breathing. Look.
For now, what's next, Andrew?
Nothing's next. It's one stupid guy.
Yeah, Andrew, they created him. Andrew, they created him. There are more of him out there. I'm scared.
Okay. It's all right. It's all right. It's okay.
I'm scared for you, Andrew.
Oh, now you know better than that.
Yeah, but if people are willing to attack you and to hurt you...
Now, listen. You know how to handle a bully? My dad taught me this a long time ago. You know he's forgotten. He said you stand your ground. You fight.
What's that?
I think it's the quilt.
Andrew, be careful.
Why, am I in your way there? Where are we going to? All right. Okay, people, that's it. This has got to stop. They have gone too far, and I want this obscenity out of our town.
It's time, Cassie. No turning back now.